One wrong move, one bad step could take your rights away. It's not just building something new, it's knowing what to do. Avoid these mistakes early, or they'll come back on you. Don't share it too early, don't put it out too soon. If you go public first, you could lose it all too. File before you show it. That's rule number one. Protect it from the start before it's gone. Don't wait too long, don't rush too fast, don't ride it weak, make it last. Have a plan before you roll. Go big, go bold. Don't wait forever to file it. Someone else could win. It's not who thought of it first, it's who gets it in. Don't file too early either, if it's not built out right. A half-formed idea won't hold up in a fight. Don't try to do it all alone, this isn't just a form. And don't forget the big question, how will this perform? Don't wait too long, don't rush too fast, don't